Human beings, despite our best efforts, no matter how intelligent we are, often find ourselves dealing with competing stimuli. We are experiencing social influence, the people around us. We also have many things that we're processing at one time. And we also have our conscious processes and our non-conscious or subconscious processes. As a result, the human mind is incredible at being efficient and taking all of this stimuli and boiling it down to use shortcuts to make choices. The challenge comes when those heuristics or shortcuts that we use are prone to bias. When we don't realize, for instance, that the choices that seem rational or optimal to us are in fact being somehow made suboptimal by these other influences that are occurring. So behavioral science is a really powerful tool in helping us to not only understand why we make the decisions that we do, but also taking the non-conscious and bringing it to the conscious level so that we can neutralize these biases, so that we can examine our choices and say, am I really making this choice because it's optimal, because it's most rational? Or am I making this choice because I'm anchoring on a number that happened to be in the environment when I was choosing? Or because I'm looking for confirmatory evidence that is consistent with something I already think? Now, the Obama administration and its counterpart in the UK have employed behavioral science on a policy level. It's a really exciting time for behavioral scientists because we're no longer sort of cloistered in the laboratory, but people are actually using this work to improve lives on a daily basis. And I'm really excited to be a part of this initiative here at MIT Sloan. We have an unprecedented class that is looking at behavioral science in Cuba and Trinidad and Tobago. The students are coming up with proposals using behavioral science theory and methodologies that we are working on here on site, and then we will go to these countries, meet with their leadership, and listen to them about the issues the challenges that they're trying to address, and share with them our understandings about behavioral science. So everything from getting people to be more protective of the environment in terms of waste for energy, to understanding how we can diversify Caribbean economies so that they are less vulnerable to changes in oil demand, for instance. The timing is really crucial and really exciting given all the changes that are occurring, for instance, in Cuba. And the students, and myself included, are pretty excited about getting there, really bridging a lot of these gaps and helping the knowledge that we are developing here at MIT Sloan to be something that is accessible on a global scale.